prices for iPhone SE 2020? Waiting for something like this? Can you forget? Apple intends to make a price of $399 for the new iPhone SE with 64GB of memory, approximately 29,990 rubles. 9to5Mac also confirmed 3 storage options: 64GB, 128GB, 256GB. The original iPhone SE debuted in 2016 and cost $399 for a configuration with 16GB of memory. When Apple stopped releasing SE in 2017, the starting price dropped to $349, and the base storage capacity was doubled to 32GB. Essentially, you can get the 2020 iPhone SE at the same price as the original iPhone SE, but with 4x memory expansion. Cool? And how? It is possible that Apple will release not one, but 2 iPhone SE 2 at once. What about the current iPhone 8? It is still available in the line of Apple phones, and the US store costs $449. Given that the new iPhone SE is likely to be cheaper and more powerful, it should be assumed that the iPhone 8 will be removed from the Apple line due to the launch of the new phone. Should I buy the iPhone SE 2020? What does Apple want from the iPhone SE 2020? Stimulate those who are still using the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. This makes a lot of sense, especially considering that these devices cannot upgrade to iOS 13. So the update is well founded. Since iOS 13 is not supported on the iPhone 6, these users cannot access the latest Apple services such as Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus. The modern, low-cost iPhone SE makes it easy for users to upgrade and, therefore, increases their active user base that can access Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus. Obviously, Apple's goal is to attract more users to its subscription services, even if it means that you need to release an inexpensive iPhone. Analysts predict that Apple could sell more than 30 million iPhone SE 2 phones throughout 2020. What you definitely should not expect from the 2020 iPhone SE is the 4-inch continuation of the original iPhone SE. Apple has clearly changed its policy and does not seem to plan to release another 4-inch iPhone.